Good morning, students, and welcome to the Mbira activity where we will be making an African thumb piano today. The first thing you need to do is download the Tuner T1 app to your smartphone. If you haven't already done that, let's pause and take a moment to do that now. You will find everything you need to make your Mbira in this kit. You'll see the craft sticks, which we will use as the keys that make the notes, and then this bridge piece here fastened together with some screws. The idea is to loosen the screws enough to get the tongue depressors or craft sticks in without removing the whole thing. But if it happens to come off like mine did earlier, it's not that big a deal. You just put it right back on there because the holes line up, and twist each screw, turn each screw 2 or maybe 3 times, and that should be able to leave enough space for you to get the craft sticks in. So it should rock a little bit back and forth like this if it's loose enough, and then you slide 1 tongue depressor in the middle, 1 craft stick in the middle, and then 2 on each side. So you have 1 in the middle, and then 2 here and 2 here. So now we have 1 here and 1 here. So there's 2 between these 2 screws, 1 in the middle, and then we're going to put 2 between the final 2 screws. Next, the idea is to tighten the screws so that you get a note when you pluck the popsicle stick like this, the craft stick like this. You want enough tension on this so that this vibrates with a sound. So to do that, you just start tightening the screws. And we're going to do that with all of the screws until they're most of the way in, so that this doesn't move anymore, or it moves enough that you can adjust the pitch. You can adjust it shorter and longer, but it's not super loose and it's not super tight, so most of the way down. So now that I've tightened down the screws, and you'll notice the one on this side is looser and the one on this side is tighter, and that's just kind of you have to just go with that. And so I slide in the craft sticks like that. And then you'll see that they play notes now. If you got a craft stick with a bad spot on it, try and put the bad spot on the opposite side. Now you can see that they're tight enough to play notes. Now we'll stop the video here and do part 2 on tuning the notes.